What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we're running the Sen Mini Magnus, the mg16. It's a 1/16 scale nitro monster truck, but it's pretty big for 1/16. It's a single speed. I tuned it better this time I believe guys, so it's not going to be running lean. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to start it up and I'll take us back out on the road once it's starting. Stay tuned for the run. Bye bud. Right guys, we'll stop the video there because I think something happened to the wheels. Oh no, nothing's happened to the wheels, just like that. Well anyway guys, it's tuned now. The idle needs turning up a tad, but that's about it. It'd be a great appreciation if you guys could give me a like and a subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.